Welcome to this stunning single-story Japandi-style home, professionally interior decorated for your ultimate comfort and style. As we begin our tour, step into the serene courtyard that sets the tone for this exceptional property. Now, through the massive wooden double doors, you'll enter a bright and open great room bathed in natural light. Directly across from it, you'll find a spacious dining room, seamlessly connected to the open concept floor plan. Let's explore the heart of the home, the kitchen. It features an extended waterfall island and top-of-the-line appliances, perfect for cooking and entertaining. Nearby, the family room invites you to relax by the fireplace while enjoying the surround sound entertainment system. Continuing our journey, we discover a custom shelf pantry, a convenient powder room, and our first bedroom or home office. Notice that every decoration has been carefully curated by the owner, adding a personal touch to every space. We reached the laundry room before exploring two bedrooms that shared a Jack and Jill bathroom, ideal for guests or family members. Now, let's step into the primary bedroom, a spacious retreat with a large sliding door that leads to the heated pool for a refreshing dip. This bedroom boasts a sitting lounge and a cafe bar, making it your personal sanctuary. Adjacent to the primary bathroom, featuring a fully customized shower and bathtub combo. Don't miss the primary walk-in closet, which even has a convenient door leading directly to the laundry room. Now, as we head into the backyard, feast your eyes on this impressive large pool, a rare gem that size is no longer permitted. To one side, you'll find a tranquil grape arbor, perfect for enjoying tea or a glass of wine. As we continue around the pool, there's plenty of space to relax in your private resort-like oasis. But there's more. Behold the Tiki bar, where great food and drinks await, creating wonderful memories for the new owners. And for our furry friends, there's a private dog run, complete with a single car garage equipped with AC and a doggy door, leading to the fenced doggy run. The luxurious oasis could be yours today, offering unparalleled comfort and entertainment. Thank you for joining us on this virtual home tour.